Hi everybody, welcome back to PassFirstTime.ie, helping you to pass your driving test in Ireland. We are Ireland's online driving school, bringing you the roadmap to driving test success with RSA approved instructors with many years experience. In this short video, we're going to take a quick look at some common questions that pupils ask driving instructors as they are preparing for the test. Question number 1 for today is, should I use my car or my instructor's car for the driving test? This is a good question, and the answer is, it depends on which car you're more comfortable in. So the ideal situation is that you use the car which you can control best, you feel best in, you feel you drive best in, the car you're more used to driving around the town or the area where you're going to be doing your driving test. That's the car ideally you should use for the test. Now, a lot of people will not be insured in their own car or the family car, so you've no choice. You use the driving instructor's car, and that's absolutely fine. If you're not insured previously anyway, the driving instructor's car is probably the only car you will have been able to practice in. So it should be and probably is the most comfortable car for you to drive. Having said that, if you have been using your own car regularly, you are insured in the car is roadworthy for the driving test. This is probably a better idea to use your own car at this stage for the test, because you will just feel more comfortable and more confident in your own car. Question number 2, can I fail on the theory questions? No, you get a grade 2 error on the theory questions, but you can't fail on it. Now, having said that, nobody really should get a grade 2 error on the theory. You should be able to get enough theory questions right to pass. So the bottom line is, study the theory questions. Coming up when we launch the website PassFirstTime.ie very shortly, there will be a ton of questions and answers. So if you haven't done so already, log on to PassFirstTime.ie and put in your email, and we'll be sending you details, tips on the test, and details on when the website goes live as well, and you can check out all the theory questions there. So can you fail? No, but at the same time, you're going to get a grade 2 error if you get a lot of them wrong, and it doesn't help your tests. So make sure and study them, and this question then becomes irrelevant for you. Finally, for today, how long does the driving test take? A lot of people feel or believe that you're driving for an hour. The answer is no, you're not. On average, you're driving for in and around 30-35 minutes possibly. Again, it'll vary depending on traffic, the time of day you do your test, etc. It is a variable. But most tests from start to finish will take in and around 45 minutes, and that includes the theory part, etc., and going back to your car. But the driving part itself, usually around 30 to 35 minutes. So it is short and sweet, and it means you should be able to concentrate fully for that short space of driving time. You're used to taking 1, maybe 2 hour lessons in some instances, so the driving test is going to seem short in comparison to your lessons. Now, hopefully that has helped you out. Listen and watch out for more videos coming your way with common questions. This is the first in a series of them, and in the not too distant future we will bring you another selection of questions that pupils ask regularly on pre-test driving lessons.